Ya es el cartucho si quieren, moño. Ahí me deja una, ahí nada más. Hay un...
much taller than Rodolfo.
Hay un puñito así a la par de las patanillas que eso me las echa en Ricardo y me echa otra en Ricardo. Una vez. Un bastantillo aquí.
I am much taller than Rodolfo. Ah, mucho lluvia. Mucha lluvia.
Mucha lluvia.
Mucha lluvia.
Es muy buena la lluvia.
Ah, sí.
Rica lluvia.
Rica, rica, el calor.
Mucho calor.
Mucho calor. Primer tiempo. So anyway, today, in the rain, all these trees were brought from the house, and we planted them out here on the property because they were starting to get overcrowded in the backyard. So all these plants that you see were brought from where Alan and I live, together with a bunch of plants over there as well. And that'll just add to the entire property so that it'll look a whole lot better for the wedding. Look at this mapalon. We have 10 different types of this here on the property. 10 tipo.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. That is absolutely... Now that'll grow into a hedge.
No.
It's un grande planta.
Sí, aquí hay que hacer una filita ahí.
That is beautiful, Rodolfo. That came out since Friday.
Una zanjeta. Sí, sí.
Man, that's beautiful.
No precisamente una zanjeta, pero
It's amazing with a little bit of rain and, a lot of rain and a little bit of sun does for all these plants. That's why it's so important that we get them in the ground before the dry season starts. And when does the dry season start?
December.
December. Posible November 15th. December. Okay. That's beautiful, Rodolfo. We have 10 of those?
Yeah, different.
Oh, here's one here.
Yeah.
Without the flower. That flower came out since Friday. So although we don't have running water yet, because we haven't put in the pipes from the Nacimiento up to the property, we still have plenty of rainwater, and this is what we use to clean tools with. Wash your hands in, for drink, make ice cubes, feed the animals.
Feed the animal.
There's the animal taking the picture. His name is Alano. Dichoso. Alano Dichoso. This particular instrument right here is called a... Nombre, por favor.
See? You don't remember?
I do. I want you to tell them in español.
You say?
En español.
You say. Español, you say.
En español. Parillo.
Palín.
Palín, sí.
Palín, no parío.
That's what I said, palín.
Sure, claro.
In other words, it's a palín. And this is a shovel, which is a pala. See?
Yeah. You're right.
I'm always right.
Sure, claro.
So we do have running water on the property. And I am the human faucet.